how can we work together to make our cities smarter, more sustainable, greener, and more resilient. We need to move from smart as a technology label to smart as a way of making better decisions for people, places, and the planet.
Across the world, cities are facing increasingly complex challenges: climate change, rapid urbanization, environmental pressures, aging infrastructure, resource constraints, inequalities, public health challenges, and technological disruption. These challenges don't exist in isolation. They are interconnected. No single discipline, organization, sector, or country can solve these challenges alone. Addressing them requires collaboration, partnership, innovation, and systems thinking. This is why gatherings such as today's symposium really matter. They create spaces where different perspectives can come together, where knowledge can be shared, where new ideas can emerge, and where long-term partnership can be developed.
SSG-Bridge project is a funded project. It has been funded by British Council and ICSSR India. It's about creating opportunity for collaboration between the UK and India in the context of a smart, sustainable, green, and strengthening the capacity of early career researchers through research, collaboration.
In particular, we're very interested in working in between tier 2 type of cities, where there are so many of these cities that maybe are more ignored, whereas there is a lot more work done on big global cities, where we are looking at cities which are of the size of about 1 million, finding ways to work with these cities and to bring them into a sustainable, livable cities.
SSG, if I break down, then S stands for SMART, and which is data-driven decision taking, and second S, that is sustainability, refers to longevity, and green refers to ecology and biodiversity conservation. Considering the demographic profile globally, I feel that SSG practices are necessary and indispensable to carry on in each of the sectors.
So Birmingham started transforming itself in 1970s and 80s and has reached a level of maturity and has a lot of learnings, some mistakes, some great achievements. And in this project we are trying to learn what not to do the mistake, and what is it that works in Birmingham and can probably work in Ludhiana.
Smart means using intelligent data, digital tools, and emerging technologies in meaningful ways. Sustainable means creating long-term social, economic, and environmental value. And green means protecting the environment, supporting net zero, improving resilience, and creating healthier places for people. But the real value comes when these three are integrated. It means they are seamlessly connected. A city should not be smart but unsustainable. It should not be green but disconnected. It should not be sustainable in theory but not supported by data process and implementation capacity.